Hi, I'm Victoria Gilbert. This year at Waverly Isle Elementary School, where I am the assistant principal, we are very fortunate. We have a new reading specialist. So this year, the principal and my task was to decide how we're going to use the reading specialist. For the first semester, we used her in a completely different way. We had her pulling students. So we had her pulling students during remediation time, during class time, and really just working very small groups, like two or three, and just her. What we've noticed is we give lots of different assessments. We do a MAP testing, which is a national norm test. It's a measure of academic progress, and we do benchmarks at the end of every quarter. So what we noticed was just looking at data, our fifth grade group is significantly lower than our third and fourth grade group. So we're currently in the process and in the change of fixing how we're using our reading specialists along with our paraprofessionals. In the past, our paraprofessionals were just used as assistants. They would do bathroom breaks. They would assist one-on-one with students that need assistance. So we're currently in the change of training them how to be more effective in the classroom, how to pull groups, doing small group time, how to help those students, how to notice where their weaknesses are, how to record the data. So that's the project that I'm going to use for this project. It is not my dissertation, but I thought it's really interesting to do an organizational change project on an actual project we're using in school and seeing if I'm missing any pieces. So looking at the different tasks that we have to do in this semester and seeing, are there things I'm missing? I noticed in one of the tasks we have to see other people's thinking, and I think that's going to be really important for the principal and I to really talk to the teachers, talk to the reading specialists, talk to the paraprofessionals, see, are we missing things? Is it working? Is it not working? Um, so what the plan is that our reading specialist will be in fifth grade, solely in fifth grade, because that's where our lowest scores are coming from. And she's going to be working with those bubble kids. So of the students that are right there, what are they missing? Is there a small piece missing that she can give them? She can remediate them, and then they'll be soaring. So that's our plan for her. And then for the paraprofessionals, they'll be working with our third and fourth grade group doing the same thing. And again, this is a big difference for them. So I'm really interested to look at the loop, see the model, definitely use data to drive the instruction in the classroom, and then use the data to drive our interventions. So I'm really excited to do this project and see if there's any pieces the principal and I are missing and really make this organizational change in our school.